Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is KUBBIELOVE. If you can't pronounce that, please call me Kubi. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I really do hope that at the end of this video you subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. It means a lot to me. So today is day 7 of my 30-day makeup challenge, and I'm doing a fairly easy look. Not easy, I mean, it's easy. We're gonna be using glitter today, and I'm so excited. I got this glitter from an ad that I saw on Instagram. I don't know, this ad popped up on my page, and I just opened their website up, and I just bought all the glitter. I bought a lot of glitter. Like, I bought glitter, I bought pigments, I got lashes. I'm gonna put the name of the store so you can, check them out. I didn't expect it to be this small, but it came this small. Also, I did like a mini splurge on Colourpop cosmetics. I got some brushes. Super excited. They were having a sale, so I just had to go buy some brushes. Like, I had to. What else did I get? I got a new concealer from Colourpop Cosmetics. This is my first haul, guys. I was planning on using this as a primer for my eyes, but I do think I'm gonna use it on my face, like my under eye as well, because it's really thick and I like it. I also got this powder puff as well. My favorite thing that I purchased is this kabuki brush for my foundation. I'm so happy. Like, it is so beautiful, guys. Like, I love it. I can't wait to actually use this. We're just gonna go straight into this look. I have my eyebrows done already to save time. I'm gonna go off camera and do one eye, and I will be right back to complete the other one on camera, so stay tuned. Boom. So this is so cute, guys. I've never used chunky glitter before, but this looks absolutely amazing. Today we are working with the Jackie Aina and Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. I'm gonna be using Credit and Ginger right here. I'm gonna start by applying a large amount of Credit on my eyelid. Let me blend this out more. By the way, to prime my lids and to act as a base, I used this Colourpop concealer. I don't know what the shade is, but I'll check the name on the order that I placed, and I will let you guys know in the description box below. So I'm just blending that out, and I'm gonna go into the outer corner of my eye with Credit. I'm gonna dab some of that in there and take a little bit on top. Next, I'm gonna wipe my brush and use it to blend out a little bit more. Next, I'm going to take a different brush. This is a Mary Kay brush. I've had it for a long time. It was a hand-me-down from my mom, so just going to place that here and start blending out more of Credit. I'm using circular motions to blend it out. Then I'm going to take some in here and bring it all the way to my inner corner, like that. That looks blended out to me. I'm gonna go into my Warrior by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking this pretty gold right here. I'm gonna sweep this across my eyelid. So this is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and use my NYX primer. This is a glitter primer. I'm just gonna sweep that all over the eyelid, just on top of the area that the gold eyeshadow is. let's go. So to get this look, I mixed 2 different chunky glitters. I'm going to put the names in the description box below. So I'm trying to stay away from the area that I will be applying my eyeliner. So I'm using this She Makeup matte black eyeliner. I got this from the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I'm gonna try and, you know, do this in a way that you guys can see what I'm doing, but if you don't, I'm so sorry. Ooh! That was smooth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my lashes. The lashes I'm wearing are from the same brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know, they don't have the style on here, but it will be in the description box. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my lashes, and I will be right back to finish up my face. Okay, lashes, come through. Wow, I absolutely love these lashes, guys. It's so pretty. So we're gonna go into the face, and I'm gonna start by priming my face with this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Next, I'm going in with my foundation. Can y'all look at this fresh stick of foundation? Like, I haven't touched it yet. I'm so geeked because this is my favorite foundation ever. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 335, and I'm going to use this as my concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Colourpop concealer. I'm scared to use this, guys. I'm just gonna put it right in the inner corner of my eye, like right here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my rose water. Okay, y'all, can we just talk about how amazing this concealer is? Like, huh? So I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to put that all over my face. And I'm also going to focus on my under eye. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely am in love with everything that's going on here. The glitter is giving me life. The lashes are giving me life. The lip, everything. I absolutely love it. The hair just goes so well with it. And I really hope you guys think the same. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from this video. If you like to see the rest of my 30-day challenge, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram so that you can see all the beautiful pictures that I'm going to be taking during this challenge. Oh, the glitter is moving. Is it moving? Let me see. Oh, it's not. I'm tripping. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My socials are going to be in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye!